Police Scarlight, the CEO of CryptoQuant, just exposed a hidden risk that could change everything for Bitcoin holders. And almost nobody is talking about it. While everyone's watching Bitcoin's price action, Kyung Ju dropped a warning that connects to something way bigger than just crypto. This involves the future of how money moves around the world. And if you're holding Bitcoin or thinking about getting in, you need to understand what's coming. Here's what's happening right now. The CryptoQuant CEO revealed that Bitcoin faces a critical challenge as traditional finance and crypto start merging. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about Bitcoin. It's about a massive shift in the global banking system called ISO 20022. So what is ISO 20022? Think of it like this. Right now, banks around the world speak different languages when they send money to each other. It's slow, it's clunky, and it costs you money and fees. ISO 20022 is the new universal language that banks are adopting. It's faster, cheaper, and carries way more information with each transaction. And here's why you should care. By 2025, the entire global banking system is switching to this new standard. We're talking about SWIFT, the network that handles trillions of dollars every single day. They're making the switch. Central banks are making the switch. Major financial institutions are making the switch. Now, let's talk about tokens. Certain cryptocurrencies were built specifically to work with ISO 20022. Quant, which uses the token QNT, is one of the biggest players in this space. They built something called Overledger. Think of it as a bridge that lets different blockchains and traditional banking systems talk to each other using this new ISO standard. Why does this matter for everyday people? Because right now, sending money internationally is expensive and slow. You pay huge fees. It takes days. And banks charge you again when the money arrives. ISO 20022 tokens are designed to fix this. They make cross-border payments instant and cheap. But here's the risk the CryptoQuant CEO is highlighting. As traditional finance adopts these ISO-compliant systems, Bitcoin might get left behind. Bitcoin wasn't built for this new banking standard. It's amazing as digital gold and a store of value. But when it comes to integrating with the new global payment rails, Bitcoin faces serious competition. Quant and other ISO 20022 tokens are positioning themselves as the bridge between old money and new money. They're working directly with banks, governments, and financial institutions. Bitcoin is doing its own thing, and that's both its strength and its potential weakness. Think about it like this. Bitcoin is like having gold bars. Valuable, scarce, a great hedge against inflation. But ISO 20022 tokens are like having a universal payment card that works instantly anywhere in the world. Different use cases, different futures. Here's what to watch next. Pay attention to how many banks announce ISO 20022 integration over the next 6 months. Watch whether Bitcoin developers try to build compatibility layers. And most importantly, watch how regulators treat ISO-compliant tokens versus Bitcoin. The tokens that play nice with traditional finance might get easier regulatory treatment. That could mean easier access for everyday investors, more liquidity, more use cases. Bitcoin might stay in its lane as digital gold, which isn't necessarily bad, but it changes the investment thesis. Also keep your eye on Quant's partnerships. They're already working with major institutions. If they announce more central bank collaborations, that's a massive signal. It means the ISO 20022 shift is accelerating faster than most people realize. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. The crypto market is volatile and risky. What works for one person might not work for you. But understanding these shifts gives you an edge. While everyone else is just watching price charts, you're seeing the bigger picture. You're understanding why certain tokens exist and what problem they're actually solving. The convergence of traditional finance and crypto is happening right now. The question isn't if anymore. It's how fast and which tokens position themselves best for the new system. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.